Hello students, this is question number 2 of exercise 8.2 of chapter quadrilaterals. So I have taken this question, that is ABCD is a rhombus and PQRS are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. Show that PQRS is a rectangle. Yes, so to understand this question, we first of all we need to draw a figure as it is given. ABCD is a rhombus. Suppose this is ABCD. A, B, C, D and P, Q, R and S are the midpoints, and when we join these P, Q, R, S, these midpoints, we need to show that this is an rectangle. This is a rectangle. Okay, now we have drawn the figure, but let me explain you this question again so that the concept will be very clear to you. In this exercise 8.2, we have two questions, that is question number 2 and question number 3, and both are the opposite questions. Just like ABCD is a rhombus given here, in the next question it is given it is a rectangle. At that time the midpoints, while joining that midpoints, we need to show the it is a rhombus. Yes, so the concept should be very clear, that what is given and what we need to prove. And if we need to prove that suppose it is a rectangle, so what we have to prove so that we can prove that it is a rectangle means, let me explain you in Hindi. Just like according to this question, it is given ABCD. ABCD जो है ये एक rhombus है, ठीक है, and PQRS are the midpoints of this ABCD. PQRS जो है इसके midpoints हैं. किसके midpoints हैं? When we use respectively, it means first of all P is given, so P is the midpoint of AB. Yes, AB. Q is the midpoint of BC. Q BC का midpoint होगा, R CD का midpoint होगा and S midpoint होगा DA का. Yes, अकॉर्डिंग टू द फिगर यू कैन सी है, मतलब आप फिगर देख के समझ सकते हो कि ये हमें ये चीज़ गिवन है. एंड व्हाट इज गिवन? ABCD इज अ रोम्बस. तो जब हम इट इज़ गिवन ABCD इज अ रोम्बस, इट मीन्स वी हैव टू रिकॉल ऑल द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रोम्बस. मीन्स हमें रोम्बस की सारी प्रॉपर्टीज याद करनी है कि क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं रोम्बस की. सो वी नो दैट कि AB all the sides of the rhombus are equal to each other. सारी sides rhombus की equal होती हैं. And the second thing, the diagonals bisect each other and at 90 degree. तो देखो दो प्रॉपर्टी होती हैं जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है रोम्बस की, जो हमें याद करनी है, क्योंकि हम ऐसे कैसे प्रूव कर देंगे. सो हम लोगों को अगर ये प्रूव करना है कि इट इज़ अ PQRS इज अ रेक्टेंगल, तब हम क्या करेंगे, हम वो रेक्टेंगल की प्रॉपर्टी को प्रूव करेंगे. यस, और व्हेन वी वांट टू प्रूव द रेक्टेंगल प्रॉपर्टी, सो वी विल यूज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रोम्बस. यस, तो हमने जैसे देखा कि रोम्बस की दो प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पहली वाली कि रोम्बस की ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल, सारी साइड्स उसकी आपस में बराबर होती हैं. एंड द डायगनल्स, जो डायगनल होते हैं, जस्ट व्हेन वी जॉइन द अपोजिट वर्टेक्स, जब हम अपोजिट वर्टेक्स को ज्वाइन करते हैं, जो डायगनल्स आते हैं वो एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. बाइसेक्ट मीन्स एक दूसरे को इक्वल पार्ट्स में काटते हैं. एंड एट 90 डिग्री मीन्स वो व्हेन द डायगनल्स बाइसेक्ट, जब डायगनल्स आपस में बाइसेक्ट करते हैं तो वो बाइसेक्ट करते हैं 90 डिग्री पे, मीन्स वो 90 डिग्री का एंगल वहाँ पे फॉर्म करते हैं. तो दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टीज दैट आर गिवन टू अस, एंड नाउ वी नीड टू प्रूव दैट ABCD इज अ rectangle. Yes, so first of all what we will do, we need to write the what is given. Yes, so given ABCD is a rhombus. Yes, but we are not going to write the ABCD is a rhombus. What we will write? We will write the property, that is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Yes, this is given. And to prove that PQRS is rectangle. Yes, PQRS is rectangle. Yes, so to prove PQRS, what we will prove? We will prove, देखिए, first of all we will prove that PQRS is a parallelogram. ठीक है, and what is the property of parallelogram? See, in this chapter we must be familiar, हमें सारी प्रॉपर्टीज पता होनी चाहिए फॉर द क्वाड्रिलेटरल. यस, जितने भी हमारे पास क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स हैं जस्ट लाइक पैरेललोग्राम, उन सब का प्रॉपर्टी हमें पता होना चाहिए, जस्ट लाइक स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, रोम्बस. यस, सो व्हेन वी प्रूव दैट PQRS है पैरेललोग्राम, पैरेललोग्राम का हमारे पास क्या प्रॉपर्टी होता है? दैट अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर, opposite sides are parallel to each other, and opposite angles are equal to each other. So these are the three main properties of the parallelogram, and one more, that is the diagonals bisect each other. Yes, these are the four important properties that we must remember for the parallelogram. Now come to this, that PQRS is a parallelogram, that we have already that we need to prove. Now the second thing to prove that this parallelogram, हमने पैरेललोग्राम तो प्रूव कर दिया, बट पैरेललोग्राम का क्या मतलब है? पैरेललोग्राम कुड बी स्क्वायर, पैरेललोग्राम स्क्वायर भी हो सकता है, पैरेललोग्राम रोम्बस भी है, पैरेललोग्राम रेक्टेंगल भी है. सो हम कैसे प्रूव करेंगे कि PQRS इज अ रेक्टेंगल? अब हमें पैरेललोग्राम से ये तो हो गया कि अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल, तो हमें प्रूव करना है कि ये रेक्टेंगल है. उसके लिए हमें क्या प्रूव करना होगा कि दैट एट वन, सिंस ऑल द एंगल्स ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल आर equal to 90 degree. So now what we need to prove, that at least we will prove one angle that is equal to 90 degree. हम एक एंगल को प्रूव कर देंगे जो 90 डिग्री के इक्वल होगा. तो वो हम प्रूव करने के बाद हमें पता है कि अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर, तो फिर उसका अपोजिट एंगल भी इक्वल हो जाएगा. देन वी नो अबाउट द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द पैरेलल लाइन, मीन्स वी हैव टू रिकॉल ऑल द प्रॉपर्टीज. यस, तो को इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम 90 डिग्री 180 डिग्री होगा. दैट इज द सम ऑफ द को इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर ऑलवेज 180 डिग्री. सो इस तरह हम सारी प्रॉपर्टीज को करते हुए हमें पता चल जाएगा दैट इज PQRS. वी आर एबल टू प्रूव दैट इट इज अ रेक्टेंगल. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज हियर द प्रॉपर्टीज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डू द कंस्ट्रक्शन. Now what we will do the construction, we will join BD. हमने BD को यहाँ से join कर देंगे. When we are joining this, when we are doing the construction, we must do it by dotted line. Yes, ठीक है. Now construction we have done. Now if we see, since, come to the proof, since S and P, this S and P are the midpoints of AB and AD. Yes, are midpoints. Yes, so in triangle ADB, in triangle this ADB, yes, ADB, S and P are the midpoints of the opposite two sides, and we have joined this. So by the midpoint theorem, SP will parallel to DB and SP will half of DB. Yes, parallel to DB and SP will equal to half of DB. Yes, by mid point theorem. Clear? Yes. Now for the next triangle, see, for this triangle CBD or CDB, same, R and Q are the midpoints, and since in a triangle this R and Q are the midpoints of the opposite two sides, so RQ will be parallel to DB and RQ will half of DB by the midpoint theorem. Yes, so here I am not going to we are not going to write it again. We can use the word similarly. In triangle DBC, RQ is parallel to DB and RQ is equal to half of DB. Yes, so this is the first and this is the second. So we can say that from first and second, RQ is equal to SP and RQ is parallel to SP. Since here, see here, SP is parallel to DB and RQ is also parallel to DB. So this will parallel to each other also. Yes. So this is the result that we have got, that RQ is equal to SP and RQ is parallel to SP. Now we have a one property of parallelogram. If one pair of opposite side are equal as well as parallel to each other, then it is a parallelogram. Yes. So hence we are going to use that property. We are going to write here, since one pair of PQRS is parallel, or we can write parallel as well as equal, hence PQRS is a parallelogram. Clear? So now it is clear to us that PQRS is now a parallelogram. Yes. And since it is a parallelogram, so opposite sides will equal to each other and parallel to each other. It is quite clear. Now what we have to do, we need to show that one angle is also equal to 90 degrees. So how we can show that? I'm going to draw the figure again for you. See. So this is ABCD, this is PQRS, and this is ABCD, and we have already proved that PQRS is a parallelogram. I hope it is very clear to you. Now what we need to prove PQRS is a rectangle, we need to prove that at least one angle, if we prove one angle is equal to 90 degree, then of course other two angles will be equal to 90 degree. Now what we will do, we will join both the diagonals of rhombus. Now join AC and BD. Yes. Now if suppose the intersecting point is O. Yes. So we know that, again we will recall the property of the rhombus, that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. So we need to write this also. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Means this angle is equal to 90 degree. This angle is also equal to 90 degree. This angle is also equal to 90 degree. This angle is also equal to 90 degree. Yes. So ये 90 degree है. Okay. Because these are the diagonals of a rhombus. Okay. Now if we see this, suppose let me give you this, let me give this point, intersecting point L, and here M. Yes. This intersecting point of the diagonal with the side of SR and with the side of RQ, intersecting point with the AC, that is M, and here O is already. If we see, taking LOMR, I hope it is clear. I am talking about this one. Yes. Now see, first of all we know that DB is parallel to RQ. Yes, if DB is parallel to RQ, so LO will also parallel to RM. Yes, so we can write that LO is parallel to RM. Yes, and we know that AC is parallel to SR, so OM is also parallel to LR. Since the complete line is parallel to this line, so the part will also parallel to each other. Yes. Now if we see the opposite pairs of this LOMR are parallel to each other, it means LOMR is also a parallelogram. Hence LOMR is parallelogram. Yes, and if LOMR is a parallelogram, it will follow all the properties. It will take all the properties of a parallelogram. And what is the most important property here for this? That opposite angles of parallelogram are equal to each other. Yes, and when opposite angles of parallelogram are equal to each other, so this angle is of 90 degrees, so hence angle R will also equal to 90 degree. Yes. So now angle R is equal to angle O, or we can write here angle LRM is equal to angle MO. LRM is equal to angle MOL. MOL, that is equal to 90 degree, or here we can write the reason: opposite angles of parallelogram is equal to each other. Yes, and if we see, it is enough. Yes, अदरवाइज टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट, हमें पता है कि ये पैरेललोग्राम है, हमें पता है अपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम इक्वल टू ईच अदर. अगर एंगल आर 90 डिग्री है तो एंगल पी भी 90 डिग्री होगा. यस, और एंगल पी अगर 90 डिग्री है सो एंगल एस भी 90 डिग्री होगा, बिकॉज एस आर एंड पी क्यू आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. हेंस को इंटीरियर एंगल का सम कितना होता है? 180 डिग्री होता है. सो 180 degree minus 90 degree, it will equal to 90 degree. So hence this angle will also equal to 90 degree, and this angle, this is opposite of angle Q, so this angle will also equal to 90 degree. So hence now we can already prove that PQRS is a parallelogram. Here from suppose this is third point, and here this angle R is equal to 90 degree. Hence we can say that PQRS is rectangle. Hence proved. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now you have understand this question. Thank you.